The most important part of the railway wheel is the flange. It is used to maintain the dynamic stability of the vehicle and prevent sliding from the track. Friends, to avoid the risk of derailment, different types of safety parts are there. Today, this video going to explain the importance of check rail or guard rail. What is check rail? Check rails, also known as guard rails, lay parallel to a running rail. It is guide wheel to reduce wear and the risk of derailments. But how? Let's learn the concept. Between the running rail and guide rail, heel blocks are used to maintain proper gap, which permits the wheels. This is a crossing area. It is crossing nose and this is called a wing rail. The train will change by this area. Here is a little gap and track irregularity. When a railroad car changes the track from a straight track to a curved track, then force also changes. Just think, if there is no guide rail, then 90% chance of wheel sliding, because sometimes the flange touch the guide rail, which means it is guiding the wheel from sliding. So in this way, guide rail plays an important role. It is used near curves, crossing areas, level crossing, and near bridges. Hope you will love this video. If you think this video is helpful, please share it. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop learning.